If you're an avid Lightroom user, you probably use your arrow keys to scroll through your images, and then when you find one that you really like, you give it a star rating, like me. But the problem is, once you give it that star rating, you're back to the beginning when you scroll again. So if I hit my arrow key, I lost my spot, and now I have to go through all of the same photos again just to rate another one. And I can see I was right here, but if I hit the arrow key, I'm back to the beginning. So that's annoying. And how do you stop that? How do you stay in the spot you're at once you rate something? Well, you need to go down to this sort drop down. And right now it's on star rating. So it's resetting every time I rate. But if I hit that and I go to any of these other ones, capture date, for example, that one I like, when I go through, I can now rate by stars. And it stays in its place, and I can keep going, rate again, keep going, and same deal. And then if I want to see my stars all together, I can go back down to this drop down and hit star rating, and they'll all be in the beginning by number of stars. So that is so cool. You just have to make sure you are sorting correctly depending on what you want to do. So when I look through them and I'm giving them those star ratings, I like to keep it on capture date. You may like one of these other dates, but yep, that's it. And I hope this helped you guys. This was such a pain in the butt for me before I figured it out, and hopefully I saved you some time. So thank you for watching. Check out my playlist in Lightroom for more, and I'll see you in the next one.